Bulldogs, happy Wednesday. On your agenda today, you've got DIY 5, you have a level up, and then you will end with your checkpoint on chemical reactions. There will be a live session today on Zoom that we will go over chemical reactions by playing a Kahoot. So if you would like to play a Kahoot with me and other students that are in my class, then the link to get to the Zoom is right here in the middle of your screen. You do have a checkpoint today, and then on Friday, progress reports will be available, and you will have another checkpoint over law of conservation of mass. So let's take a look into DIY 5. So DIY 5 is going to be a practice to go over the notes in the lesson that you did yesterday with DIY 4. If you did not take notes, or you maybe just have forgotten since yesterday what the evidence of chemical reactions are, then DIY 4 from yesterday would be the best place to start today, to go over and review those 5 evidences of chemical reaction. Once you have done that and you're ready to practice, then DIY 5 is going to be the Kahoot. So if you want to do it with me and with the class, like I mentioned earlier, then you can do this on the Zoom with us during your class period. If you would rather just do it on your own and practice it at home, there are 3 different links to the Kahoot. They are all the same Kahoot. It's just they fill up, and so if the first link doesn't work, try the second one. If the second one is also full, then try the third. You can play the Kahoot as many times as you would like to get the practice that you need. Once you feel like you've got that down, then you are going to test yourself with the level up. Remember that you need to make a 100 in order to move on to your checkpoint. So once you submit all of your answers, then you need to click View Score, and it'll show you how many you got correct and how many you missed. So if you miss any questions, you need to go back and you need to look at them for any of those mistakes. If they are simple mistakes and you understand what the correct answer should be, then you can go ahead and move on. But if you miss a lot of the questions and you aren't really sure, then I would recommend that you go back to the DIYs, go back to DIY 4 and 5 to look over the lesson and do the practice again and then try it. You can also shoot me a little message through the Canvas inbox, and I'll be happy to answer whatever questions that you might have. Once you have shown to be successful on your level up, then the last thing that you will complete today is your checkpoint for evidence of chemical reactions. So remember that you need to do this on your own. You can use your notes, but you cannot use like Google or Siri or somebody else to give you the answers. That, my friends, is cheating. Shame, shame. If you need to use the periodic table to look at element symbols to figure out their names, the link for the periodic table is still there. And there will be audio on each of the questions, so if you need something read aloud to you, that is there for you to use. All right, so that is it for today. If you have any questions or need any help, of course, let me know, and I would be happy to help in any way that I can. Y'all do good work today. Know that I am proud of you, and we're halfway through the week. It's almost the weekend. Y'all have a great day.